Your pool is your own personal oasis, and you want it to look and feel great. But even if your water seems great, there might be unseen issues that could cause future problems. The best defense is frequent water testing. However, all tests are not created equal. The incomplete nature of most home test strips and basic pool store tests put you at risk of wasting product, battling to keep water balanced, even potential damage. You can trust our BioGuard experts for quality testing due to their experience, high level of training, and by using Alex, the most innovative, comprehensive, and accurate water test available. While most testing only looks at 5 or 6 basic parameters, Alex tests 12 different things that can affect water quality. When we test, we also look at how these parameters interact, which greatly impacts how to treat your pool. Every pool is different. Surface type, size, and even water features can influence the water, so we look at all factors before recommending treatment. With a BioGuard dealer able to walk you through the recommendations, there's no wasted product due to overdosing or overcorrecting. Your water stays balanced and stable longer. You avoid potential costly damage, and your pool sparkles all season long. Do things right and avoid the guesswork. Visit your BioGuard dealer today for a professional water test and enjoy a better pool tomorrow and every day.